Alright, what is up you guys? So today we're going to be doing more tuning videos. So if you haven't seen the last video, go check that one out. In the last video, I showed you guys how to download ROM Raider and ECU Flash. And in this video, it's going to be a little bit of a continuation of that. I'm going to be showing you how to download Sharp Tune and Merp Mod Patches to your ECU. So what these patches do is they allow you to have more complex ECU functions with a factory ECU. So these patches are very crucial, I think, in this day and age, because typically everybody would use Cobb to get their, launch control, flat foot shifting, flex fuel, stuff like that. And now Cobb is kind of falling out of favor because of their green initiative. So a lot of people are switching to open source tuning. These Merp Mod Patches allow you to get those functionalities on the factory ECU with open source tuning. So most of these patches give you two-step, flat foot shifting, speed density. Some of them have flex fuel capabilities and map switching and stuff like that. It all depends on your car, what functions are supported on your car. But yeah, Merp Mod's pretty cool, and it's a bit of a pain to install. So I'm going to try to make a video to make it easier for you guys to install it, because there's not very much information out there, and it's been a few years since I did this, so hopefully I don't have too much trouble with it. But with that being said, let's get started on it. This is going to be the main area where you're going to do your Merp Mod downloading. So this is a GitHub page for Merp Mod. I'll put a link to this page in the description below. It's been like 3 years since I've done this, so hopefully it goes smoothly. So following this link here, I don't really recall downloading any of this stuff, and I'm not sure if maybe this is something for like coding maybe. I'm going to try and get this done without it and just see if it works. I don't remember downloading this stuff. Okay, so I'm just gonna go skip to this step here. We're going to start with downloading these defs. So I open up this into a new tab. Up here, we're just gonna go ahead and click this code button and download zip. So now it'll download a zip folder, and I'm gonna make sure I have a location I wanna store this in. So, okay, so I'm gonna create a new folder here. Just for a place to put this new stuff. So let's do Merp Mod. So we'll have a Merp Mod folder to put that stuff in. Let's go back into here, find our downloads. Let's extract these. Extract all to documents. Merp Mod. Okay, let's extract these. Okay. So now we have our files in here. Cool, ECU Flash and ROM Raider. Cool. And then the next thing on here was to clone the Sharp Tune or download Sharp Tune. So we'll do the same thing with this one. Click code, download zip. I'm going to extract this into the same folder. So go to downloads. Extract all, browse, yeah, okay, extract. So extract it into there. Alright, well, this is Sharp Tune downloaded. Haven't tested if it works yet, but this is what it looks like. So let's close that for now. Opening up Sharp Tune, I think we need to tell it where the definitions are. So we go to Settings, and then we go to Definition Repo Location. Okay, so it says finished installing Sharp Tuner GUI. So maybe that works. Let's just test this out and see if it works now. So if we go to, let's open up Sharp Tune. Actually, okay, let's create a shortcut. Okay, here we go. So let's open up Sharp Tune, press OK. Now, so we will find our ROM that we want to modify. So remember, we saved our stock tune in a separate file, and we made a new file that we're going to modify. So we click on our modifiable one, and we'll open that. Okay, so this is the ROM file opened up here, and then right here next to it, you can see it says mods. You click mods, and it'll show you the compatible mods for your vehicle. So this is your ECU ID. We can click here, click on the apply sharp tunes, and you'll see this thing pop up here. So it says the file name, mod identifier, testing, and then it'll tell you what is in it. So this is speed density load calculation with MAF blending, launch control and flatfoot shifting, static or gear-based calculations. So that's what this patch does. Some cars have more stuff, but this one is kind of all you get. So it would be nice to have some sort of flex fuel capability, but I've kind of liked having my flex fuel computer that's standalone. It's pretty nice. The launch control and flatfoot shifting is the main reason that I like this patch. What we're gonna do is we're gonna click apply mod, and it'll come to an area where you want to save it, and I'm going to click here, modified tune, and I will click, I'm just going to change this name to Merp Mod, so that I know this is the one that has the Merp Mod on it, and then we'll save it. Don't worry about this. This is kind of just a warning. This is like a hazard with any ECU flashing, not particularly for patching this stuff. So let's just press OK. And then they want you to donate. So if you want to donate, you can donate here to the people who did the work for this patch. Okay. Mod successfully applied. All right. All right, so let's try opening this up in ECU Flash. I don't know if this will work or not. Looks like we might have issues with it. Okay, ECU Flash cannot recognize this ROM image using any of the current definitions. You can choose one of the following options. Okay, so it doesn't want to open up into ECU Flash, so I think we need to do some more work. So I believe what we need to do in order to open up this file, the Merp Mod files, into ECU Flash is we need to change the definitions. So how we do that is we go to our settings here, and we're going to click on metadata directory, and we set this up in the last video. So let's click here. So let's find a new directory where, let's see, documents, Merp Mod, Subaru definitions, ECU Flash, and Subaru standard, or metric, whatever you want to do. Select folder. Okay, so we set up a new directory. Now let's try opening it again. Son of a bitch. Okay, so after much struggling, I figured out how to get this to work. Okay, so this original like Merp Mod GitHub page that I was showing you, this one, the instructions are horrible. We installed Sharp Tune, and then we linked the Sharp Tune to the Subaru definitions in the repository. So we did this part here, and then after that, that's it for Sharp Tune. So with Sharp Tune, you can open it up and you can apply the patch to the ECU, but you can't open it up into ECU Flash. So this isn't listed in here for whatever reason, but I found this forum post from the guy who made this Merp Mod. And if you come down to the second post here, it gives you a step-by-step process. Okay, download Sharp Tune, open your ROM, apply patch, and then mods require custom definition files to edit and log. and it gives you a link right here to download the Merp Mod definitions. So you click this link and it's going to automatically download. So we'll click up here to our downloads, and I'm actually just going to click this one because I already downloaded it. And then let's see, downloads. Okay, so then we have our folder here, and I'm going to extract it into, I don't know if it matters where you extract it, but I like to extract it in the same spot. So we're going to go into ROM Raider, just because that's where I'm keeping my stuff. Merp Mod folder, we'll extract it into here. Extract, so it's going to extract now. Now we have this Subaru Defs Merp Mod. That is going to be our file. So you get out of here. So we're going to open up ECU Flash, and we're going to go to Settings, Meta Directory, and we're going to click Browse, and we're going to go to where we saved our thing. So ROM Raider, Merp Mod, Subaru Definitions Merp Mod. This is ECU Flash, so we're going to do ECU Flash, Subaru Standard, and select folder. And then we'll close that. And now we should be able to open up our tune. So you'll get this checksum thing. So the ROM has loaded one or more incorrect checksum values. Do you wish to correct them? You want to click yes. And now you can see on the left here we have all of our stuff. So it actually works and it knows what it's reading. If it doesn't work, it'll just say ROM info and have this drop down thing here. But this is what it'll look like when it works. So we're able to open it in ECU Flash, so now we can edit it and flash it onto the car. And then this is how you get flat foot shifting and two-step on a open source tuning software. It's not hard, it's just hard to find where to find the right information. So I kind of just want to quickly run through this again just to make sure I said everything correctly. You followed the first video, we installed ECU Flash and ROM Raider. So now what we need to do is you need to go to this link right here, GitHub Merp Mod, and you don't have to do any of this stuff up here. Just need to go straight down to here. You need to download the Subaru Defs and you need to download SharpTune. Once you do that, you open up SharpTune. Now we go to Settings, Definition, Repository Location, and then you want to go to where you saved your file. So SharpTune, and then you click SharpTune Defs Stable, press OK. That will install the definitions onto SharpTune. Now it says to close SharpTune and then reopen it. I think that's just to ensure it's working. Now we can open our ROM file. We don't want to modify the stock one, we want to modify the one that we saved separately so we can keep our stock tune stock. So open up our file here, you can click Mods, Apply SharpTune, Merp Mod, and then right over here we click Apply Mods, and then save this file. We already have it saved, so we're not going to do that. Close SharpTune. Now, ECU Flash, it won't let us pick that file and open it yet. So what we need to do is we need to come to this link here, and we need to click this link to download the Subaru definitions for Merp Mod. And then once those definitions are downloaded, we want to put them into a safe file location where we know where to find them. And then we'll go into ECU Flash and we will click on our Settings button. We will come down to Metadata Directory and we will browse and find where our Subaru Defs Merp Mod file is. Click ECU Flash and Standard Def Subaru Standard and then select folder. And that will be the correct definition files. And once that is done, then you can open up your ROM and it'll give you a checksum value. You click yes to correct. You can open up the ROM, and the checksum doesn't pop up every time you open it. you just need to save it. Click yes to replace. And now when we close this and reopen it, no checksum because we fixed it. And then now you can just edit your flat foot shifting and launch control settings, and now you'll have those features in your car and just flash them into your car. That'll be it. So that's a brief overview of how to install it. The hardest part about this is knowing where to find the right stuff to download, but I did the hard work for you guys, so it should be really easy to get this going. And just to kind of give you guys a idea of where you can get started. So speed density mode here, it's set up for map sensor. So if you change this, I'll show you. You can change it to speed density or blending or map sensor. So if it's just set up to map sensor, you don't have to worry about anything that's in this speed density table. It's not going to affect your tune. So flat foot shifting mode, I like to put it into automatic mode. So static mode, you set like a RPM, and that's where it does its thing. I like to do automatic because then it bases it off your gear ratios. So all you have to do for that is come down to your flat foot shift gear ratios, and you just put your gear ratios in here. This, I don't know what this is for. It might be a 6-speed. I mean, it has 6 gears, so these might be 6-speed ratios. I'm not sure, but just look up your ratios and you can put those in here. And then it'll calculate the flat foot shifting very smoothly. All the rest of this stuff I kind of leave alone. For rev limit launch control, 4500 is probably good to start with. 50 hysteresis is good. The rev limit, you just want to make this match what your rev limit is in this other column here. So like this one's at 72, but I think the base tune is like 67. Let's see, rev limit 67. Yeah, so you'd want to make it match this, and you can change the hysteresis on this too, but we'll get into that stuff later. So that's how you install Merp Mod and install patches onto your ECU so you can get launch control and flat foot shifting and other features for other ECUs. So I hope you found that video useful. If you did, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comments below. If you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing. If you know of somebody who might like this video, please share it with them. Stay tuned for more tuning videos. This is kind of the setup, getting you all you guys set up with the software, everything you need. The next videos are going to be actually getting into how to tune. So if you want to see those videos, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notified when those videos are released. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.